Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the call history from your Facebook Messenger app. So here I am in my Messenger app. First thing you want to do is tap on the Calls tab. You'll find that at the bottom panel of the screen. Once in the Calls tab, press and hold on each of the calls that you want to delete. A delete bubble should appear at the bottom of the screen. Press delete to delete that call log. And that's it. One thing you need to know is that deleting the call history from the Calls tab will not automatically delete the calls from the actual conversations that you had with the person. As you can see, the calls are still there in the chats, and if you want to delete the call history from there, you will have to delete the entire conversation. To delete the conversation, go back to the home screen, press and hold on the conversation that you want to delete, and just press delete. You should know that deleting the conversation will also delete all the text or media messages that you may have exchanged with that person. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content such as this. Have a great day.